Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, watch how I use this fabric and contact paper to cover these chair legs. It's all right, stay a while. We've had these dining chairs for years, and instead of buying new chairs, I decided to cover them with covers I purchased online and cover the legs with fabric. I measured the legs and cut the fabric to fit and hot glued the fabric to the chair legs. To add a little interest to the legs of the chair, I cut strips of this gold contact paper and added it to the bottom. I did the same for this chair. This chair was already covered with this white chair cover. I thought the chair would look better if I covered the legs. Two of these chairs were in my kitchen. I decided to paint the legs to see how it would fare. I used this yellow acrylic paint as a primer for the gold acrylic paint that I was going to use. I used a brush for application. I applied 2 primer coats and 2 top coats. I let the chairs dry thoroughly before adding these black velvet chair covers. I was curious to how this placemat would look as an embellishment to one of the chairs, so I used these U-shaped upholstery pins and straight pins to attach it to the chair. A table runner in the same or similar pattern might be better because you would only have to attach one piece. I also attached one piece to the black chair. Would you paint or cover the chair legs with fabric or contact paper? How would you embellish the chairs? I'd like to know. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.